Sir, we are live now. Start the meeting proceeding.
Okay. Ketan sir, hello.
Hello.
Sir, start कीजिएगा.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the company, I, Ketan Madhusudan Shroff, Chairman and Managing Director of the company, extend a warm welcome to all to the 9th AGM of Pentagold Limited, which is being held via video conferencing. In view of the restrictions due to outbreak of COVID-19 and considering the social distancing norms, the company has taken requisite steps to enable members to participate in AGM through video conferencing. Concerned board of directors, stakeholders are present in the meeting, and the meeting also has quorum as per the law. The directors' report and audited accounts for the financial year 31st March 2021 are already circulated to you. With your permission, I shall take them as read. As the requisite quorum being present, I call the meeting to order. The present COVID-19 pandemic situation has affected the entire nation. I sincerely hope that you, your families are safe and have been vaccinated. The COVID-19 is a humanitarian crisis. It has tested the very spirit of humanity. But even in the darkest hour, our spirit has shone bright. We as people have come together and fought this battle with immense empathy and compassion. I thank you for your participation in this meeting. I would like to introduce to our board members Mr. Sandeep Kumar Gupta, Chief Financial Officer of the company, Mr. Anand Chaturvedi, Chairperson of the Audit Committee, Mr. Dilip Patodia, Nomination and Remuneration Committee, and Ms. Meenakshi Inder Singh, Women Independent Director. I also have with us Statutory Auditor of the company, Mr. Rahul Nata. The Company Secretary, Mr. Praveen Kumar Jain, Practicing Company Secretary, is appointed as scrutinizer of the meeting, who shall scrutinize the votes cast at remote e-voting and e-voting. Remote e and e-voting. A small brief about the company, business and future plans. Due to unprecedented situation of pandemic, our business has been impacted adversely in the financial year 2021. However, we achieved standalone domestic turnover of rupees 155 crores and consolidated domestic turnover of 155 crores. We hope we all sail through the pandemic situation in current year and bounce back to our domestic and export sales as well as profitability with new record high and achievements. The company is also considering other business opportunities to diversify its business and earn more profitability, as well pump up the turnover. I, along with the entire team, would like to thank you, our esteemed board members, valued customers, shareholders, business associates, suppliers, and all other stakeholders for their continued support and encouragement. Your company is actively pursuing its main objectives, and we are looking forward for cooperation from our stakeholders. And I wish everyone great success. Considering the time constraint, shareholders' queries will be entertained via emails only. Further, I would like to draw your kind attention that as per the Companies Act 2013 and SEBI LODR regulations 2015, the company had provided its member facility to cast vote through electronic means, that is, through remote e-voting system administered by NSDL. The members who had not cast their vote electronically are given an opportunity to vote in through remote e-voting for 15 minutes after conclusion of this AGM. Since the AGM is being held through VC and other audio-visual means, and resolution mentioned in the notice have been clearly put to vote in the remote e-voting, hence there will be no proposing and seconding resolutions. All the proceedings of AGM will be on our website www.pentagold.in. It's our pleasure to have you at the annual general meeting, and we express gratitude to all the members and present here for their cooperation. We believe your valuable support and faith in our company. Thank you, everyone. This we hereby conclude the meeting. Thank you all.
Sir, can we end this meeting? Or
You can end this meeting. If somebody wants to cast their vote, you can look up to it, but I am done over here.
okay. Pratik sir, can we conclude this meeting?
Yes, sir, we can conclude the meeting.
Okay. Thank you for joining.
Thank you,
Thank you
everybody.
so much.
Thank you all.
Thank you.